Hi, I'm Zach Cuneo. I've been a sales consultant with Brookside Homes for 15 years now, and I'd really just like to share with you a little bit about what you can expect with your experience working with Brookside Homes. Brookside Homes has been in business for over 40 years. We're a larger builder, which means that we build typically over 70 homes a year. And over that 40 years, we've just developed proven systems and methods for taking you from the design process of your home all the way to handing you the keys and having you move into your home. So I'd like to just talk to you about a few things that distinguish us as a home builder. The first one of those things is the personal touch that we have with our people. From the beginning, you'd be working with a sales consultant who is someone like me who's going to be working with you to work on your floor plan design, as well as doing all your quoting and just walking you through the whole process leading you up to the point of construction. We also hire a design coordinator who is someone who's skilled in interior design, and they're going to help you put together all the right products and materials for the interior and the exterior of your home and put that personal touch on it with you. We do an in-person site visit where we meet you out on your property with one of our owners or one of our construction managers, where we really just take a look at where the house is going to be positioned on the property. If you're hiring us to do your excavation, we're also going to end up providing you confirmed pricing for the site work on the lot as well. We also have a construction manager who, as we are building your home, you have access to contact to answer any questions, meet you on site, and just review what's going on out on the building process. And finally, we have a full-time service department where we don't just build the home and walk away, but you can contact us for months, even years after the fact. Contact one of our full-time customer service representatives, and we're going to let you know if that's an issue that we can come out and help you out with it and how we're going to handle that for you. One thing that sets us apart from many other builders is our pricing. We offer detailed quotes with accurate information. We really spell out exactly what it is that we're doing for you within our quotes. And we also provide confirmed pricing up front prior to ever starting construction. And the advantage to that for you as a customer is simply not going into the construction process worrying about what kind of unforeseen costs or prices there might be. Everything is going to be confirmed up front, and it just gives you the peace of mind to sit back and enjoy the process of watching your home be built. We also have 90 of our own floor plans that have specific base prices, which really gives you an excellent feel for what a home's going to cost right up front. But beyond that, we have our own drafting department, and we're very flexible to customize home plans for you. So you can modify and personalize floor plans that we offer. You can also bring us your own floor plan or purchase a plan from an architect. And we've even just worked hand in hand with our clients in the past to develop a plan from scratch with them. Finally, we offer high quality products and materials with energy efficiency and current trends in mind. You can come directly to our model homes where we have full display areas, and you get to pick all of your materials for your home right here in our model homes rather than having to go out and shop around and look around for everything on your own. With that in mind, let's talk specifically about the products and materials that we'll use to build your home. So to start off, let's talk about the foundation of your home. Our foundation is built using a Superior XI Plus foundation wall. Superior walls are built in a plant. They're made of precast concrete, brought out to the job site in sections and set in place by crane. Once they're set in place by crane, each section is joined together and sealed up at each joint to make it a waterproof wall. There's multiple advantages to Superior walls. The first is that because it's poured inside of a plant, the concrete that we use is poured at a minimum of 5,000 PSI. That's waterproof concrete. This means that we don't have to add additional waterproofing agents to the exterior of the wall. Next, as you look at the wall, you can see this foil-backed insulation. That is an R21 insulation value, which would meet code requirements for finishing off this space in the future if you desire to. And then last, you'll see these steel metal studs. Each of these studs has holes in multiple locations where you can see wiring can run through for electrical items. And then you can attach drywall using irregular drywall screws right to these metal studs. That all means that these walls are essentially ready to be finished off. The other advantage to this insulation is that the thermal envelope for your home starts right here at the basement floor and goes all the way up through the attic. That makes a more efficient house for you and a more comfortable house for you. It also gives us the ability to condition the basement space, which means that we add supplemental heat and air conditioning into the basement, which again makes it more comfortable and also keeps dampness out of the basement that you might normally experience because it's underground. All of our homes then will include a concrete floor in the basement, and we put a perimeter drain around the whole basement that will either be a French drain to daylight if you have enough gravity on your house site, or we would install a sump pump to remove any water that would be trying to infiltrate the basement as well. When it comes to framing our homes, we use high quality framing materials, often using premium or select grade lumber for our framing package. We do 2x6 exterior walls, 2x10 floor joists in most models, include excellent subflooring. And on the exterior, we use a product called the Zip System wall sheeting, which is your exterior wall sheeting and a moisture barrier combined into one process. And it just does a phenomenal job at moisture proofing the home even before siding goes up. We have a handful of excellent framing crews that are constantly moving from one house to the next, framing up homes. And our average house takes typically less than 2 weeks to frame, including roofing, windows, and doors. So the homes are essentially weather tight within less than 2 weeks. On the exterior of our homes, we include tilt wash windows, so they slide up and down and tilt in. They're made with low E glass and filled with argon gas for energy efficiency. The exterior finish of the house will be vinyl siding. You can see over here we have multiple styles of siding to choose from and many different colors to select from as well. Some of our homes include stone veneer, which would be an additional cost above vinyl siding, but is included with some of our standard plans. The shingles on our homes are a limited lifetime warranty architectural grade shingle available in many color selections as well. And then we include maintenance-free soffit, fascia, seamless gutters, and downspouts with the home. Our homes that have a front porch would have a concrete floor and vinyl posts and railing. Brookside Homes strives to build as energy efficient a home as possible so that you can save money on your energy bills and also be as comfortable as possible in the home. That all starts with our thermal integrity caulking and treatment package, where we go through the house with spray foam and caulk and seal up all the different cracks and crevices before we even insulate the home. After that process is done, that's when we insulate. We use a blown-in cellulose insulation like the product you see here in the wall behind me. This product's made out of recycled newspaper, so it's extremely environmentally friendly, but it's also blown in a high dense pack way. It gives you an R21 insulation value in the walls and R50 in the attic. The first benefit you'll see is, as you look at the wall cavity, is that the insulation is blown in a high dense pack way. This sticks the insulation right against the wall stud. It also seals up right around all of your electrical boxes, and it does an amazing job at preventing air from infiltrating into the home. This product is also mold resistant, it's fire retardant, and it acts like an insecticide for the home. It's also an amazing soundproofer for the home. Our homes are so well insulated that we include a 10-year energy guarantee with our home. What that means is that we do a thorough heat study on your home, and we tell you ahead of time when you move into your home what your annual heating and cooling costs will be. If your annual costs would happen to exceed the guarantee that we've put in place, we'll actually reimburse you 50% of that cost overage. The heating system for our homes is a hybrid heating and cooling system. With this, we basically take two different heat systems and combine them into one to create the greatest amount of energy efficiency. So we take an air-to-air heat pump, which provides air conditioning for you in the summer, and then operates to provide heat for you in the winter in temperatures roughly 35 degrees and above. And we take a gas furnace, which operates at temperatures roughly 35 degrees and below, and combine them into one system. All you have to do is go over and set your thermostat for the temperature that you want it to be. This is just another one of the systems that we use to maximize efficiency in the lifetime of your home. The standard floor coverings in our home, in living room, family room, bedrooms, and up the stairs to the second floor would all be carpet. We use high quality carpets with stain resistant barriers on them. In your areas that get more water usage, like bathrooms, mudrooms, and laundry rooms, we use sheet vinyl products. Hardwood, laminate flooring, and tile flooring are all an additional cost above carpet or vinyl. However, we currently include a free upgrade to hardwood or laminate flooring in the foyer, the kitchen, and the breakfast or dining area of our homes. We use pine all-wood trim on the interior of our homes. That includes a 3/4 inch baseboard around all the floors and walls, colonial style casing around all of your doorways as well as your windows, wood window jambs, and wood window sills. All the trim has no finger joints in it, which means it can be stained or painted. And we include a partial paint and stain package with each of our homes. That means that we send all of your trim and your interior doors off to a paint shop ahead of time and have them pre-finished before they come out to the job site to be installed by our trim carpenter. We use all wood cabinetry in our kitchens and bathrooms. The cabinet boxes are made out of plywood, and the doors, the drawers, and the drawer fronts are all made out of solid wood. Drawers have dovetailed joints and use full extension glides with soft close features to prevent them from slamming. The shelves in our cabinets are all adjustable wood shelving. There's a broad array of selections for our cabinetry. You can choose from maple, oak, or hickory for the wood species, approximately a dozen different stain colors for each cabinet, and about 10 different styles of cabinetries for your doors and drawer selections. We also include a large selection of handles and hardware for the cabinetry as well. We include granite countertops in the kitchen. Our granite comes with a 4-inch backsplash and a stainless steel undermount sink, and we include 9 different color selections to choose from with all of our granite products. In our bathrooms, we offer the same overall cabinet selections as we do in the kitchen. Our bathroom vanity tops are solid piece vanity tops made with cultured marble, and the sink bowl's molded right into the vanity top itself. Tubs and shower units are one-piece fiberglass units, and then throughout the whole home we offer Moen faucets. As you can see, there's so much that goes into designing and building a home, and we have really just scratched the surface. Brookside Homes' goal is to allow our experience and expertise help you to achieve the home of your dreams. To find out more, visit us at one of our sales centers or check us out online.